Going on, guys? Today we're gonna be putting in this aluminum billet for the hood for a 98 CRV. Mine is broken off. I bought this car like 2 years ago. It was broken. I still have the piece. I've tried burning it to just at least have it glued on, you know, just so I don't have that empty hole. Picked this up on Amazon, I believe, for about $15. So let's get this open with one hand. Well, there's tape around it, guys, so give me 1 second. I dropped you guys there on my lap for a quick second, but so comes with its own tightening tool, and it comes this black aluminum piece, which is pretty nice. It's very sturdy as opposed to this plastic one you get with the stock. So sorry, I dropped that again. Has a pretty nice feel to it. I mean, it's nice and heavy. You are gonna have to remove that plastic from the inside, that plastic wrapped around that tube, and just simply insert this, and then you tighten it down. It should work perfectly fine. So we're gonna take off this plastic piece, which, if I'm not wrong, should just be able to pull it out, or possibly have to remove your foot stand. But we're gonna try to just brute force it, and hopefully this comes off. Alright, guys, so as you can see, it does simply pull out. In the back you're gonna have a small piece. I ended up breaking it off by accident, but it's a simple clock and lick thing. I mean, you can easily replaceable for a couple cents. Just make sure you pry that off with some pliers and they'll come off without breaking it like I did. But after that, you should have everything set here actually, and you can start stripping away at excess metal and screw on the other piece. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get that done. Hey guys, so I didn't have like a tube stripper like some people do. I'm not you know, I don't got all those handy tools, so I did use a getaway. I just kind of put a lighter to it a little bit to melt the metal, use my Letterman tool, and just pried it off. I've gotten enough out to put it in already, so install's pretty easy. You just want to loosen this bolt so that it can go in all the way, and then you tighten it. So let's get that done. Let's just loosen the bolt, push that in, line it up, make sure you have it nice and straight, and there you go. It's fixed, it's ready. All you gotta do now is just reinstall that little piece. Not really reinstall, but just push it in, and you have a working piece. $10 on Amazon, $10 to $15. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly, but it looks nice. It makes my thing work again, so I give it a 5-star review. It's pretty good. Plus, it comes with its own little tool, so that's pretty good.